Guys, what if Bitcoin is right now just finishing a ABC correction and soon will start a fifth wave, impulse wave to the upside? Guys, that is going to be the topic of today's video. So it's going to be a different video as usual, as we are going to do this walking and talking. I'm going to show you some screenshots as well as some stuff that I have been finding in the chart, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So it's going to be actually quite interesting. So guys, all about that in today's video. With that being said, my name is Sharon. Welcome to the Blockchain Today, the channel where you subscribe for daily crypto videos. Right now, let's talk about this Elliott wave pattern in the Bitcoin price. But before we are going to talk about that, guys, make sure with all of us to scroll below this video and hit the thumbs up button. Guys, that is very, very much appreciated. And normally, guys, I was thinking, often we have been using Elliott wave theory in previous times into our analysis, and especially in the fourth wave back after we have seen the crash in March, we have made a very, very accurate prediction where we actually predicted the exact ABC correction after Bitcoin topped out. So in sometimes Elliott wave theory can be a very successful way to analyze your charts. And right now I'm thinking we are seeing a interesting pattern in the Bitcoin price as well, because if we apply Elliott wave counts on the Bitcoin price right now, guys, then we can see that it looks like that Bitcoin right now could be forming a ABC correction, which aligns with a fifth wave structure to the upside, which as well aligns with previous Elliott wave structures I have been drawing on the chart. So guys, I will share a screenshot right here so you guys know what I mean. But the basic idea, guys, is that normally we are seeing a fifth wave structure to the upside, which is followed by a ABC correction. And within those structures we are as well having wave counts. Right now we are not going to go in too much depth into that, but I just wanted to share this idea and wanted to have a quick talk about it. Like, what if this is a possibility that Bitcoin right now is just finishing a ABC correction and might soon start with the next uptrend? Because if we really were to zoom out and we were to take the March lows of 2020, then that could also be the first impulse wave of a bigger Elliott wave count. And the reason why I'm taking the March lows as a potential start of the first wave is due to the fact that if you take the top of 2017 and you take the bottom of 2018, and we have another top at 2019, then we got the bottom at 2020 March, the crash, right? Then that is also looking like a typical ABC correction, where we had the bull market in 2017, we peaked out, and we are seeing that ABC correction, which is ending in March 2020. So that is an interesting find, guys. I do have to say that there's a lot of confluence showing us that we might be seeing a structure like I have been drawing right here on the charts. But of course, guys, this would be a more bullish structure, right? If we were to see a scenario like this, that right now we are just finishing a ABC correction type of structure, and eventually we can continue in this uptrend and eventually going into the fifth wave to the upside, which will bring us to the bull market top. That is definitely possible. However, I do have to say right now, like I've said in my previous videos as well, we have to have a bearish bias as long as Bitcoin is trading below these key moving averages. We are trading below so many key moving averages that it is you should have a bearish bias right now, due to the fact that Bitcoin hasn't really been able to break above these key levels and retest them back as support, hold these levels, and really show some more bullish structure in the price. So right now there's still a lot of weakness in the price of Bitcoin, and we should have a bearish bias, but we should be aware of the fact that we might be seeing a structure like the Elliott wave count I've just been drawing. Then, guys, a couple of interest points I want to make right here is that if we have a look at the fear and greed index, and I know, guys, this is not the best indicator out there, but if we have a look at the fear and greed index, it's just one of the indicators we can use in our basket of indicators. And right now we are at the same levels where we were in March when we had this major crash to the upper 3,000 levels. So that is actually quite crazy, right? That right now the amount of panic and the amount of fear in the markets is actually at the same levels concerning the fear and greed index than the March lows, when Bitcoin's price was way lower than the price we are seeing right now. Then another interesting thing, guys, is that when we have a look at the funding rates recently have been turning negative. Normally that is actually a bullish sign. It's not a very direct indicator, unless it is a extreme reading, right? If we get a extreme reading in the funding rate, negative or positive, most of the time the opposite will show in the chart in the immediate short-term time frame. But we also have a midterm time. We can also use it as a midterm time frame indicator, that when the funding rates are turning bearish, then most of the time that is causing buying pressure on Bitcoin. And this is a clear signal we have been using in the past a lot. Every time we have a positive funding rate, it's causing selling pressure on the price of Bitcoin. And every time we have a negative funding rate, it's causing buying pressure on the price of Bitcoin. Guys, another thing I want to bring out, and this is just a discussion I want to start with you guys. A lot of people talking about this wick off method, and they talk about Bitcoin going to lower levels, Bitcoin going to 20,000 US dollars. There is a lot of negativity in the space right now, and I don't know if you guys recognize that as well. I do recognize that there's a lot of negativity going on, a lot of pessimistic comments below the videos, and normally when we are seeing such a negative sentiment, that also can function as a bullish signal. It's as well, just like the fear and greed index, just as the funding rates, is not a direct signal, right? Like the moment we are seeing a negative comment, like that is directly a bullish signal for the price. But if we are using all of these things that we are seeing right now around the markets, in the sentiment, in our baskets of indicators, then it might give us a clue of what is going to happen in the near future. So guys, this is a scenario I wanted to share with you that we could be seeing right now, the Elliott wave structure I've just been drawing. Let me know what you think about that Elliott wave structure down below in the comment section, and let me know as well what you think about the sentiment right now in the Bitcoin chart. Then guys, today my mother and my little brother, they are coming over to Bali, and I haven't seen them in a very long time. So it might be possible that in the next coming days I won't be doing my daily uploads, but I might be doing some vlogging with them. If you guys would like to see some vlogs around in Bali and maybe have some small talk about crypto, then leave a thumbs up on this video and let me know in the comment section down below if you are interested in that, to show you a bit around right here. But just so you guys know, just to inform you guys that I will be spending a lot of time with my family, and I might have time to make a video now and then, but it is also possible that there will be some days where I won't have that daily upload. I hope you guys fine with that. I hope you guys can understand that. If you guys like a vlog now and then, drop a comment down below in the comment section, and I know you guys are up for that. Then guys, I want to wish every single one of you an awesome day today. I will see every single one of you in the next video, and for now, bye bye.